guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have just a quick kind of walkthrough. I just introduced some new vinyls. So I have Messy Bun and Getting Stuff Done. I have different initials, and I have on the listing what yours would look like, not necessarily in the vinyl, but the kind of template. And then I got these bows with the heart, and I saved the heart from here and kind of stick it down here so you can kind of do whatever with it. So this is how you would get it with the contact paper over it versus like this without contact paper, but I wanted to show you the Hollow Fabulous. Okay, so let's talk about, I peeled it off and it's not coming with the contact paper, right? Totally understandable. You're like, what the heck? Literally, that's all I did. I didn't even push down hard, didn't do anything. Always peel from the back. So I'm holding it taut, peel from the back. I literally didn't even do anything. Like, you can still see it's not connected to the contact paper. Like, or take a credit card, run it in the back. Again, you always want to peel back to front, because then you are pulling away, because you have to think all this stuff is connected to this white. So if you're sticking something on top, you don't want it to be so sticky that when you place it down it rips everything off, but you also want it to be sticky enough to get it off. So you can sit here and, you know, do this and that and this and pushing, you keep pushing down, and yeah, you can do that. And then you can get it to come off. Again, not as easy as, we'll even flip it to the other side. I'm telling you, this is foolproof. Bam. Peel from the backing. Don't believe me? Let's grab another one. I haven't even pushed this one down recently. Come on. Okay, ready? Peel from the back. You see that word. You know that's gonna be a pain in the butt if there's one part that's not stuck up here and you try to peel it and you're like, well, I did a really good job on that one. But I'm just saying, peel from the back and we don't have to worry about anything. Peel from the back. And yeah, aren't these new things fun? And I have this one. This is like the holographic, like the blue to purple and pink. And then I will be coming out with some other ones. If you guys have other ones you want to see, let me know. Just remember, peel from the back. All right, I'm done, I promise. All right, guys, have a great night. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.